Hi everyone, in this video you will see how to open existing schema or connect with existing connection if password has expired. So now we will see we have three connections here, and now we will connect with HR schema, and there is an error is showing that password has expired. We will see the connection details also. Password is already saved here, but when we test it, some error is showing that password is expired. Now we will fix this problem. So I'm going to open command prompt and write here SQL plus /no log. You can see we are into the SQL now. Now I will write CONN space /as space sysdba. Now it is showing connected. I will write query here, select username, comma, expiry date, from DBA users, where username is equal to HR. So we are using the HR schema and the username is also HR. So we will see the username and expiry date details. You can see username is HR and expiry date was 23rd of November 2022. So password has expired on 23rd of November. So it is showing the expiry date of the password. Now we will see the account status also of that username HR. Select account status from DBA users, where username is equal to HR. You can see account status is showing expired. So now we will alter it using the alter command. Alter user, username is HR, identified by password is HR, account unlock. So we will unlock the account. You can see user altered. And now we will check the account status. Select username, expiry date, account status from DBA users, where username is equal to HR. Basically this is only one command where we can unlock the account. Alter user, username, identified by password, account unlock. It will unlock the account and your account will be open. See, previously it was expired, now account status is open, and the expiry date is 17th of July 2023. So the date you will unlock the account, it will be open for the 6 months only. It will expire after 6 months. You have to again unlock the account. So now we will test it. See, status is showing success here, and now we will connect it. You can see HR schema has opened now, and we are connected to the HR schema. So now account has been unlocked, and now we can fetch the data or we can run the query in the SQL developer in the schema. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video really helped, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.